So in your story, in your experience, in the I'm looking for work, how do we then turn that post into something that gives wisdom, hope, inspiration, anything to another person? So it's that balance of, yes, this is me and what I'm looking for, and a very clear call to action of how to help me. But in this post that I'm serving you, you are also getting something from it. And way more people will be receptive to that because you're tapping into something that's universal, right? Where they're like, okay, I see myself in you. That's making me feel less alone. Your posts are going to hopefully do double duty of expressing your need and how someone can help you, while also, again, providing some sort of value to another person. So I would say that's the challenge for you and for all of us, is whatever post that you like think you should make on social, how do we turn it into something that also can help somebody else? You're going to be way more likely and motivated to actually post that, because now it's about, how do I connect with other people and make them feel less alone? How do I give them inspiration or advice? You don't have to have all the answers, but people are just looking to know they're not alone and for some sort of guidance in any capacity. I think begin to look forward to wanting to post these things because it's a way of connecting with other people in that more profound way.